corner of Prospect and River Road, and there's a water line which goes along River Road. But there's also, I guess this shows a little gas right here, or no gas. It shows gas right there. But then they've got another water line that crosses right here and comes along River Road. Well, it goes from Prospect to River Road, that valve right there. You're going to have an opportunity when you cross over and try to get next to that drain. I'm driving back on River Road. It looks like that area between the fence and the edge of pavement is clear. It ain't gonna take but a second to get to the railroad tracks. His water must be on the left-hand side because there's nothing marked on the right. He's got the water that comes and crosses right here, and he's telling me he has to dig up and find where these valves are, but he does have something here. And you got a power line that goes on the right side down this way. You got a water line that crosses here. And he has another water line that crosses. It's going to be right there by that pole, right there. It's not marked. And then you got another water line that crosses the tracks by the stanchion right here. And you've got a fiber that crosses right there. We'll keep going. Now, he wants you to stay between the edge of pavement and those water lines. Now, you see where the water line is, where that blue stake is right there. That's where he wants you to stay. Because you're going to have, if you don't do that, you're going to have to fight his services that go into the property. Like all that's marked here is water. Looks like nothing else is there. Yeah, looks like all is water there. Now you do have some things or pipelines on the left-hand side, but it don't look like nothing is marked by that pole. All right, that's the end of it.